Hello, good morning my lovely students. I am very happy to see that my students are completing their fair books. They are also calling me for the clearance of their doubts. I am very happy and satisfied that आप मेरे बच्चे मेरे efforts को value कर रहे हैं. बच्चों, prepare your notebook, prepare your fair book properly. कि अगर कभी आपकी एग्जाम हो या आपको कभी रिविजन करना हो तो आपको आपकी फेयर बुक काम आ सके. इतने अच्छे से फेयर बुक्स बनाना. वन कॉमन डाउट फॉर एवरी पेरेंट वाज लाइक कि मैम आपके पास हमारी एक नोटबुक मैथ्स की है ऑलरेडी, सो वेयर द चाइल्ड शुड राइट. टू क्लियर दैट डाउट आई एम हियर टू आंसर दैट डाउट. Because of COVID-19, all the students are prepared to make 2 fair books of each subject. For example, if one fair book is with me for checking, the child will write in another fair book which is with him at home. Understood? Okay. So, अगर for example exercise 1 और 2 आपकी बुक मेरे पास है चेकिंग के लिए, तो आप नेक्स्ट बुक में एक्सरसाइज 3 से लिखना शुरू करोगे और ऊपर एक हेडिंग डाल दोगे कि एक्सरसाइज 1 एंड एक्सरसाइज 2 इन मैथ्स फेयर कॉपी 1. Understood? Now, when you come on the parents meeting, you are supposed to bring that notebook and I will give you the previous one. Understood? So, properly presentation karna, you can use black pen for question and blue pen for answer. If you want to write anything for your explanation, you can use your pencil. My motive is that your concept should be clear. Understood? So, let's start with today's session. So, in this video, we will be discussing, see, this video is chapter 2 part 2. Remember Roman numerals? Yes. This video is second part of first chapter. In this video, we will discuss the rules for Roman number. Wait, let's have a quick recall on that. Okay? First we will discuss what we have learned yesterday. Remember Roman numericals में हमें खाली 7 digits होते हैं. They use only 7 symbols to frame many numbers. There was not a single symbol for zero. Remember? So today हम वही सब चीजों को थोड़ा क्लब अप करके हम आगे बढ़ेंगे रूल्स की तरफ. So let's have a view on the rules. Start. So now we will have a quick recall on the previous topics and then we will move to the rules for writing Roman numerals. That is on page number 17. After your exercise first overs, you can see the rules for writing Romans on page number 17. Okay? So let's have a look on the video.
Many centuries ago, Roman numerals are used even today. The Roman numeral system uses 7 basic symbols to write the numbers. These symbols are used in different combinations to write various numbers. The Roman system does not follow place value system. Also, there is no zero in this system of numeration. Roman numerals
diagram which is also given in your textbook page number 17. Okay, you have to remember this, then only you can solve the exercise.
Rules for writing Roman numerals. The 7 basic symbols are used in different combinations involving addition and subtraction to form numbers. Repetition of a symbol means addition. Examples: triple I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1.
See, our first rule is repetition of a symbol means addition. कोई भी symbol 3 बार maximum repeat हो सकता है. One symbol can be only repeated thrice. Understood? You can't repeat any symbol more than thrice. आप कोई भी symbol सिर्फ 3 बार repeat कर सकते हो. And when it is in continuous repetition, that means there is addition. 1 1 1 तीनों साथ में then 1. So the answer is 3. When there is addition in the symbols, that means results to 3. Understood? Remember, कोई भी symbol आप 3 बार से ज़्यादा यूज नहीं कर सकते. Okay? See, 10 plus 10 equals to 20. If a symbol of smaller value is placed on the right of the symbol of a greater value, then the value of symbol are added. अगर कोई छोटी वैल्यू किसी बड़े वैल्यू के बाजू में आ जाए तो we will add it, but when it comes on right hand side. Understood? अगर कोई symbol छोटा है वो बड़े के बाजू में खड़ा हो जाए but it should be on right hand side, तो वो add होगा. Let's have a look on an example for better understanding.
Then the values of the symbols are added. Examples: BI is equal to.
See, V already पता है V stands for 5. उसके बाजू में 1 आ गया, but 1 is on right hand side. So what it will be? Addition. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Understood?
Is equal to 6. LX is equal.
See, LX. L stands for 50. X stands for 10. L 50 plus 10 equals to 60. अगर कोई बड़े नंबर के बाद अगर कोई छोटा नंबर आए तो it will be plus, but the condition is that the smaller value should be on right hand side. Okay?
50 plus 10 is equal to 60. C double X is equal to 100 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to
120.
120
M stands for 1000.
is equal to
C stands for 100. 1000 plus 100 equals to 1100.
1100. If a symbol of smaller value
See, अब now you will had a question कि मैम अगर greater value के बाजू में छोटा value right side होगा तो plus होगा. Then what that the smaller value comes on the left hand side, then it will be deducted. अगर smaller value is on right hand side, we will add it. If the smaller value is on left hand side, we will deduct it. Understood? See, in this x बड़ा है but उसके पहले कौन है? छोटा, तो it will be deducted. 10 minus 1 equals to 9. C stands for 100. X stands for 10. It should be 10 here. 0 is not written here. Understood? Remember, जब पहले छोटा value हो, then the greater value is there, we will deduct it. Understood? Have a look on this. L stands for 50. X stands for 10. 50 minus 10 equals to 40. Okay?
CM is equal to 1000 minus 100
Equals to 900.
900. Symbol I can be added to and subtracted only from B and
See, in this symbol I stands for 1. 1 में किसमें से माइनस कर सकती हूँ? 5 और 10 में से. Okay? Now symbol X stands for 10. Can be added to? मैं add कर सकती हूँ LCM. L stands for 50, C stands for 100, and M stands for 500. And deducted only from L and C. मैं 10 किसमें से deduct कर सकती हूँ? L and C. L means 50 और 100 में से. Symbol C stands for 100. Can be added to and subtracted to only from D and M. Understood? You have to remember the which symbol represents which number and what are the rules.
symbol X can be added to L, C,
And subtracted only from L and C. Symbol C can be added and subtracted from D and M. See, have a look at examples. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5, 1, 1 equals to 7. Sorry, I said the ulta boल दिया because you are sleeping or you are waking and watching the video. X stands for 10 and L stands for 50. So आगे छोटा होगा तो I will deduct it. Okay?
Is equal to 40. CD is equal to 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. CX is equal to 100 plus 10 is equal to 110.
So students, here we complete the more main and more important 4 rules which we use to combine numbers and form the numbers. So let's have a assessment, or I can say a question answer session. Let's have a look on that. So students, here are the questions. You can say these questions are a type of a worksheet. So I can come to know that my students have understand the video if you are able to answer all these questions. In this question, you have to write in Hindu array system. That means you have to use the numbers like x, 3 x's are there. 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals your answer will be 30. Understood? In this way you can solve in your logbook as well as in your maths book. I don't have any problem in that. But if you write in maths book, use at the end of the pages of notebook. Okay? So that's all for today. Next video we will be covering our second exercise. Understood? So keep updating your books. Bye. God bless you.